See what happens if you eat 6 almonds a day. Almonds are a good source of healthy fats, proteins, and fiber. Eating 6 almonds a day can help you regulate your blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. Additionally, the healthy fats in almonds can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. If you eat 6 almonds a day, you'll likely see some health benefits. Almonds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They can help you regulate your blood sugar levels, and they're also thought to promote brain health. Eating 6 almonds a day is a simple way to add more nutritious food to your diet. Six almonds a day is a healthy snack that can provide many benefits. Almonds are a good source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They can also help to lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Eating 6 almonds a day can help you to reach your daily recommended intake of nuts and seeds, which is about 1 ounce. Almonds are a nutritious snack that can have many benefits if eaten in moderation. Six almonds a day is the perfect amount to reap the benefits of this healthy snack. Almonds are a good source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They can also help lower cholesterol and improve blood sugar levels. Eating 6 almonds a day can help you achieve your goals of being healthier and feeling great. Almonds are a healthy snack that can help you lose weight, lower your cholesterol, and improve your blood sugar levels. If you eat 6 almonds a day, you'll get about 3 grams of fiber, 7 grams of protein, and 5 grams of healthy fats. You'll also get some magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. Hope you enjoy this video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you for watching.